Ishkaran was reading para 41, which I'd like him to analyze in the context of bringing the Disha case under CBI scrutiny with Rhythm. Maybe you and Rhythm can analyze that part. Ishkaran.
Yes. Arnab, I'll just read 3 or 4 lines of para 41 and then we will just talk about it. Therefore, while according approval for the ongoing CBI investigation, that is the CBI investigation on Bihar FIR, if any other case is registered, these are the crucial words, if any other case is registered on the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput and the surrounding circumstances. We have been going hoarse, Arnab. You have been shouting so loudly on this issue that 5-6 दिन पहले एक mysterious death होती है, unnatural death होती है. That is all surrounding circumstances. But the quote is even wider than that. It is saying any other case of surrounding circumstances. That could be some new details which emerge out by your investigation or by CBI. Then the entire thing connected to Sushant Singh Rajput, whether it be destruction of evidence, whether it be political interference, whether it be those who were trying to hush the matter if they did something illegal in doing that, whether that be Disha Salian, please understand it is a very simple English but very, very wide legal ramification. If any other case is registered, that means CBI comes to a legal conclusion that some other case needs to be registered, then Maharashtra government cannot fight with them. Then that any other case will also be with CBI.
I want to understand this, because in our investigation, Rhythm, we had an individual whose identity we concealed, but we ran his voice, but we technically manipulated the voice so as to not conceal his identity, who spoke about a phone call from Sushant, in which Sushant spoke about what had happened to Disha and how he felt about it and how he was going to do a press conference. Now that is critical evidence which will now come into play, and that links Sushant's death with Disha's death, and that will now have to be investigated by the CBI. So the case in the Malwani police station on Disha's can no longer happen under the IO of the Mumbai police. The CBI has to necessarily step in there.
Arnab,
as Ishkaran is saying, anything...
Absolutely. Arnab, not only that, we've also been told that already the Bihar government has taken cognizance of this, and that is why they have said move for a CBI. In fact, like Shravan was saying, the IO already of the CBI to be in Mumbai tomorrow to take over whatever inquest proceedings the Mumbai police has already worked on at any police station that they are working in. Therefore, everything is now going to be with the CBI. The interpretation that Ishkaran is saying, even in the cases of any unnatural circumstances which the Supreme Court order is talking about, all such cases are now going to be handed over to the CBI. If the CBI believes that in the Disha Salian case they want to register an FIR, they want to start an inquiry, then that too can be probed by them. If that is linked to the Sushant Singh Rajput case, is one interpretation that can be given to the para 41. But the bigger point now, even the inquest proceedings are now going to be under the scanner or knob of the CBI. This becomes very, very serious, and I think that's the reason, Arnab, also Ishkaran, for the panic that Maharashtra government is in, because this is no longer about the Mumbai police. But Arnab, remember the very important words, almost like a warning, that the Bihar government had said, it seems the Mumbai police is under some political pressure. So like you were saying, what happened with the Disha Salian case? What happened at some certain party? What was the reasons that there was a mysterious person who spoke with us? What press conference did Sushant Singh Rajput want to do? What did he want to disclose? All these dots are now going to be connected. This is a very serious investigation which the CBI is now going to pursue. These are very serious dots the CBI is now going to link. These are also going to be dots that are also going to connect to who the mystery woman was, who on the night of 14th June was present in the building, who was given unimpeded access unimpeded access to the building. She was allowed to go inside. When we stung the watchman, we were given details. This is no longer only skirmish details about the trainer telling us about accused number 1 in the CBI's FIR, Riya Chakrabarti being alienating him from the family, giving overdose of medicines. This is no longer about just an attack, a slanderous attack on the family, a grief-stricken family, which the Supreme Court has spoken about in such emotional terms. But Riya Chakrabarti
Yes.
yet continued to give a wild attack to. Even the Maharashtra government continued to attack
Yeah,
them.
Ishkaran.
But about an investigation,
Ishkaran.
a proper one by the CBI.
One thing, let's be very clear on this. Let's be very clear on this. This was Supreme Court answering potential questions also, because you know what Maharashtra government has done. They have taken care of potential technicalities, potential roadblocks also. That is why I say it's very big. When they say surrounding circumstances of his unnatural death, surrounding circumstances is a very wide term, and Supreme Court uses wide terms very rarely and very carefully and very cautiously. When the Supreme Court says, exercising its plenary power under Article 142, that if any other case is registered, that means CBI feels that any other case should be registered which is connected to surrounding circumstances. Maharashtra government's approval will not be needed. That has cut out so much of time that only later will people understand what is the effect of this para.
Okay, we